So I think bamboo and Anycubic are pretty close. I've got a Anycubic Kobra 3 right here, and I've got a Bamboo Labs A1 Mini over here. Now this is a pretty good printer, but this has a few things on it as far as features. You got the built-in filament dryer, which I think is super valuable, especially with if you're printing with like PETG. The print bed is much larger, and you can hook up 2 of these ACE systems to the Kobra 3 and print with up to 8 different colors, where the A1 and the A1 Mini are limited to 4. So it really depends on what you want to do with the machine. I think they're both good. I'm getting great prints out of both of them. So right now, the printer by itself is $299. The combo is $429, which is less than the A1 combo, which is like $489. So it's a little cheaper, and you get the built-in filament dryer. It's pretty solid. You get the built-in filament dryer. It's pretty solid. Yeah, you can see the prices by tapping the thing down here. I mean, I've printed some really good-sized freaking prints on this thing so far. Stuff that definitely wouldn't fit on the Mini. 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 The build volume, let me make sure we've... Doesn't look like... Can y'all see or hear me? The build volume on the Kobra 3 is 250 by 250 by 260.